Hello and welcome, which is a beautiful garden close to the commercial town center. The ground floor, 3-bed, and I won't tell you the number of bathrooms yet. Entering the apartment, which is Naranjos 13, here we go with the number, and which is fully equipped with nearly all mod cons you can imagine. And we just start here outside in the west-facing garden. As you can see, the sun is just coming into the garden. It's here all afternoon, evening. Today we're enjoying 27 degrees with 65% humidity. Fantastic day today. Was not that hot, not that sweaty. Beautiful blue skies. I will show you the blue sky now. Isn't it amazing? By the way, what we see here, these are the awnings. Because there is also an awning here. I will open it later for you so you can see how to cover the terrace. There's too much sun. Sometimes in Spain. There we go. I'm entering now the living room through the sliding door, which we can see here. Sorry to go back. Door we walk into this property, which is fully fitted with all you can imagine. Lots of sparkly, shiny items. It's beautiful. It's very well maintained and kept. And as we said, it's a 3-bed and an X number of bathrooms. Just walking through the living area, now coming to the kitchen. As well, the kitchen is fully equipped with brand white goods, not to say silver goods, but that's not correct English. There we go, with fridge freezer, dishwasher, and hob. As well, microwave, toaster, kettle, and all other items you might need. Have a look through the living room again. We are on Naranjos 1, apartment 13, which you find on our webpage on qualityhomescostacalida.com with the reference 3317. The property comes sold as seen, and the asking price is only 87,000 euros. Just strolling through the hall now, we are coming to the master bedroom. Also equipped with all what you can see in our small virtual tour. Into the master bedroom, we find the back terrace, and from here we can see already the Kasar commercial center. As well, on the back terrace, we do have the air conditioning units with air conditioning. Just giving you a quick overlook and coming back into the master bedroom. As we said, all rooms are fitted with air conditioning. It's Panasonic inverter, so pretty good price. There we go again, back to the connection. Sorry for the delay and the break. We had just a quick issue with our internet connection, but back. And of this 3-bed X-bath. I haven't shown you yet the second bedroom. There we go. As we said, the property is fully fitted with all mod cons you can imagine. All bedrooms, and sorry, 2 of the 3 bedrooms enjoy fitted wardrobes, and I just want to show you quickly how the fitted wardrobe looks in the inside, with a chest of drawer, hanging rail, and some additional storage space. The connection here is very low at the moment, no idea why. And we now go into the 3rd bedroom, which is this one, as well fitted as an ideal bedroom. And as I said, we have X bathrooms here, which means we have 2 bathrooms in this property, and I may show you the 2nd bathroom. This is not very frequent to find a 2nd bathroom on the ground floor or even on the 1st floor, because normally properties are on site delivered with 2 or 3 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. And this has an additional shower room with loo. Isn't it great? There's also quite an interesting text for you. Life is like a camera. Focus on what's important, capture the good times, develop from the negatives, and if things don't work out, take another shot. Happy days. There are loads of these things in this property because this is really maintained to a very high standard. Also, some of the dinner choices you might find interesting. So the dinner choices for today are either take it or leave it. Okay. The property, as we said, is equipped to a very high standard and has lots of sparkly and interesting decorative items. which are part of the property and also part of the purchase. Here we come again. The living room of this great 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment on the ground floor on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. You find all details on our dedicated webpage qualityhomescostacalida.com and its reference 3317. Asking price is only €87,000 and it is sold as seen. Obviously private items will be taken out. Isn't it beautiful? We have a window here, a mirror. So with the mirror you also can see the agent again, so we can't avoid it, but it will happen again in the master bedroom. That's where we are going now. I will show you again this great 3-bed, 2-bath properties. And here we see again our big friend, the mirror. I won't entertain you again with me mirroring, but as well you see that this is really quite a high standard. As we said, as well, all rooms are fitted with a Panasonic brand. The bathroom as well has been changed. As we can see, there is a kind of a furniture piece below, and they have changed as well the mirror. So I think this is quite an interesting starting point for your new place and home on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. Just to give you an idea how this looks, just whilst you're cooking maybe, you have a fantastic view out through the living room onto the terrace in front of the property. As said, we are west facing, so we do have sun here as of midday. Today we have about 27-28 degrees with a humidity of about 65%, so it's really ideal. And not to forget to mention the blue sky. I mean, we are used to it, because for us it's about 320 days of sun a year, but for you guys it might be interesting to see just a little bit of blue sky today. Don't forget the bougainvillea, this beautiful flowering, blossoming plant we have over here. There we go. On the terrace we find as well some outside dining area, as well as there is an awning fitted which covers also the terrace space. There we go. Beautiful. So now we will enter the property as we normally should, through the main door. That's how it looks like. That's the main door. Somebody should turn off the light again then afterwards. Here we go. My friend the mirror. Yes. Now I won't show you. I won't show me again. Well, we had a technical issue with our internet connection in this apartment, so the quality is sometimes maybe a little bit poorish to say, but we are working hard to get this sorted. As you maybe know, we are just in the process of getting a new fiber network installed, where soon all properties will enjoy a 100 megabit down and upload line. So there are maybe some hiccups at the moment, so properties are still with the old connection or the new connection, but I'm sure within a month's time this will be sorted by the technicians of Murcia, which is the company contracted by the community of owners. Hi, what's the community of owners? Well, a resort like that with over 3,500 units obviously needs a kind of administration and also representation for the owners and their interest. So Condado de Alhama, as most of the golf resorts in Spain, have a democratic structure which is taking care of the day-to-day business. Being as big or as small the decision might be, it's always done at the end by a president who is elected democratically by all the owners on site. This provides that there is no decision and especially no money spent without the community of owners knowing and signing the check off. That's the community of owners. We pay here community fees towards this community, and this provides us with all the services like security, pool cleaning, gardening, street lighting, as well as garbage collection, the use of the internet, and the use of over 350 international. Coming back to this 3-bed, 2-bath apartment, on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort in the region of Murcia, some 20 minutes away from the nearest beach, minutes away from Corbera International Airport, and some 60 minutes away from Alicante International Airport. Here we go. This was now the master bed in the second bedroom, and I'm just showing you now the bathroom again. The hall. We're coming again to the third bedroom. which is this one. And as I don't have a fitted wardrobe in here, instead I have an additional bathroom with basin and loo. There we go. It's reference 3317 on our dedicated webpage qualityhomescostacalida.com, where you find this and many other properties located on Condado de Alhama Golf Resorts or on other resorts in the region of Murcia or adjacent. Just leaving the property again through the main door, coming to the terrace again. There we go. Beautiful. As we said, it's today, always but nearly, blue sky, sunshine, next coming days. Your estate agent on Condado de Alhama. We are registered with the National and Regional Board of Estate Agents. Answer all your questions. In case you want me to go back and see a specific item, just drop me a line at the bottom of the screen and I will be happy to do so. Sorry. Walking through the property again, we can't master bedroom. Here we go. Just showing you a different angle maybe of this bedroom so you get an idea of how this could look like. In the back we do see the garden areas, and further